Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You must begin by confirming KYC and linking a verified bank account so payments clear instantly. Once done, open Groww, sign in, and use search to find the exact stock symbol. Avoid similarly named companies. Make sure you glance at the live quote and recent chart to judge price movement, then tap Buy to move to order details. This gets you from setup directly into the transaction screen without extra waiting or surprises. You now decide how you'll buy. Choose delivery if you want to hold shares in your demat versus intraday for same-day trades. Next, choose market order for immediate fill or limit order to specify the exact price you will accept. Enter the number of shares and watch the order value and brokerage breakdown. If you need risk control, set a stop loss or target. Make sure to read the confirmation summary. It shows final debit, brokerage, and taxes before you place the order. You finish by reviewing the order summary and authorizing payment using UPI, net banking, or your app PIN. Then hit confirm to place the order. Once executed, go to Holdings to verify shares are delivered to your demat and set price alerts to watch performance. If the order remains pending or fails, make sure your bank transaction completed and KYC is fully verified. If problems persist, re-log in, retry payment, or contact Groww support with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.